There's a new treatment that claims to tighten up that turkey neck.
We put it to the test.
If your neck has lost its lift and you're looking for a fix, chin up. There's a new treatment that claims to tighten up that turkey neck with limited downtime. But is it too good to be true? We wanted to find out, so we put it to the test. Have a look.
My name is Ann Matson, and I'm 50 and a half. When I really first realized my neck and my jowls was a problem was the first time I ever used FaceTime and was looking down at my phone and went, ah! Once I noticed, I became obsessed. I see my neck and yuck. I got really excited by the idea of being able to improve my looks without doing surgery.
My name's Colleen Shapiro, and I'm 51 years old. I bike ride, so I'm outdoors, and I've applied sunscreen religiously. But my neck was the thing that I completely forgot about. So I went to a plastic surgeon to get a consultation on getting a neck lift. But that's a lot of downtime and money, so I decided to look into other options.
I developed a technique that basically is more specific to the neck and jawline, that is a non-invasive, no downtime procedure that tightens the skin. People see results right away after the procedure. Hello. So today we're going to do your Scarlet treatment. It's a microneedle treatment, so you feel little needles going in, but it's not very painful. You ready?
I'm ready.
So excited.
So the first part where we do the shallow pass, we're doing a little bit lower energy, and then the second part is going to be the deep pass. You'll see the redness where the pulses came down. Our patient is a little bit red, but this redness is going to fade within a few hours. Okay, the ladies are done, and I think they're going to be really happy with their results.
Board-certified dermatologist Dr. Anna Guanche joins us with her patients, Ann and Colleen, in the audience. Welcome, so good to have you. So first things first, before we get into this, I want everyone to check out Ann's before and after. Wow. Okay. And let's also take a look at Colleen's results. These are Colleen's before and after pics. When you get wows, that's usually a good sign. But of course, the real wow that matters is the two of you, because you had it done. Ann, what do you think?
I love it. I'm thrilled. I love the fact that it's not, there was no downtime. I was at work the next day with no visible, you know.
Basically, everyone saw something different and you looked great, but there was no visible sign that you had this procedure done.
Yeah, I was at work the very next day. I mean, no makeup on, looked great. It was amazing. Like, the redness went away in 20 minutes.
Wow.
So,
and
I
Colleen,
mean, it really was, went to dinner that night.
Wow.
Colleen, how was your experience?
I had a fabulous experience. You know, in the last week, I have had 3 people say, oh, you look beautiful. I have had my mother, who never would say this, said, oh, you look so rested. I mean, I almost fell over. And, you know, I got an overall, like, more youthful glow to me. Not a young look, but a better look.
Well, and I mean, you didn't just do the necks in these cases, you also did her faces, as we saw, right? So it's not just the neck component, but a little help.
So basically, I've come up with this algorithm of how to treat with the Scarlet RF, and I treat the lower face as well as the neck, not just the part of the neck that you can see, but around the back of the neck and also into the scalp in the back and also into the scalp in the front. So what's unique about the device and the procedure is that we're tightening not just from the facial skin area, but up into the scalp and behind the neck area. That's why people are seeing immediate results. They see an immediate result afterward, which is exciting, but then they also have a long-term result. So it's a beautiful thing when you can get instant gratification.
We know that with RF, you're actually creating an injury of sorts that continues.
But when you say long-term, how long-term will these results be?
So with one treatment, it's about 12 months. And then if you did a series of 3, you would get more tightening, and then that could last up to 3 years.
What's the typical cost of a treatment for our viewers?
So the cost can be anywhere from $600 to $3,500. It really just depends. Some people just do around their eyes to get rid of crepiness, and some people want to do their full face and neck. So the pricing definitely depends on what areas you're doing.
Clearly some advantages, you know, with this procedure, especially for these 2 women, having it done with no downtime and cost, being able to get on. They were the ideal patients. Because, sure, they had stuff going on in their necks, but not so far gone that this may not work. So
you're absolutely right. So for someone who's so far gone, we go to plastic surgery. But if someone doesn't have the funds to do plastic surgery, is looking for something non-invasive with no downtime, and wants to see improvement, really at any age you could do it and see some improvement, but they are the ideal age where you're starting to see changes, and if you're not ready to go under the knife, then you can do this procedure and have some improvements.
I think that's the key.
Monday morning, 10 a.m.
Come see me.
Yeah.
I'm really happy that you two are happy with the results. You look great. Dr. Guanche, thanks so much for joining us. Really appreciate it. Let's take a break.